Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep class. I am a tutor, Adindu. In this video, I'll be solving questions 36 to 42 from the Quantitative Paper B Test 4 questions. After this video, you will have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answers when solving questions in quantitative. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know this video will be a worthwhile session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can also go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. Now this is section J, and it has to do with questions 36 to 39. So with this sample, or with the understanding we gain from this sample, it will guide us in solving questions 36 to 49. Alright, I often say there is no precise formula or exact formula to solving questions in quantitative. All we need to do is to use a trial and error method to find out how the numbers are related or how the question or the questions can be best solved. So let's try this out. A and an arrow pointing to B is equal to A plus B over B. So that's the guide. So 8 and an arrow pointing to 4, it is 8 plus 4 over 4. And 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 over 4. 4 here 1. 4 in 12 will give us 3. So the answer is 3. So with this understanding, it will guide us in solving questions 36 to 39. Let's proceed. Question 36. What is 9 and an arrow pointing to 3? Let's see how to get it done. So 9 and an arrow pointing to 3, from the sample we understood that it will be 9 plus 3 over 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 over 3. 3 here 1. 3 in 12 4. And our correct answer would be 4. Let's see if it's correct. Yes, option B for question 36. 4 is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 37. It says, what is 8.5 and an arrow pointing to 2? Let's see how to get it done. So it is 8.5 plus 2 over 2. This is exactly what we understood from our sample. So 8.5 plus 2 over 2. So first we need to resolve the numerator since it's a fraction. So it will be 17. How did we get 17? 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17 over 2. So 8.5 is the same thing as 17 over 2. So 17 over 2 plus 2. We'll find the LCM, which is 2. Because this is a whole number and it ought to be written as a fraction, which is 2 over 1. So the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So 2 in 2 give us 1. 1 times 17 will give us 17. 1 divided by 2, there ought to be a 1 here. So take note of that. There ought to be over 1 here. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. So 17 plus 4 is 21. That will be 21 over 2. So the numerator of this is 21 over 2. So it will now be 21 over 2 divided by 2. So 21 over 2 divided by 2. That will be equal to 21 over 2 times the division will turn to multiplication and the 2 will be reversed. And it will now be 1 over 2. So it will be 21 over 2 times 1 over 2. And that will give us equal to 21 over 4. Because 2 times 2 is 4. So 21 over 4. 4 here 1. 4 and 21 will give us 5. Remainder 1. So that will be 5 whole number 1 over 4. That will be our correct answer. Let's check it out. Question 37, option A, 5 whole number 1 over 4 is the correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 38, we have if x and an arrow pointing to 4 equal to 8, what number does x represent? Let's see how to get it done. So from the sample we understood it to be x plus 4 over 4 equal to 8. So in solving this, remember we are solving for x. This is a fraction. We will make this look like a fraction. That was why I wrote over 1. So the next thing is we cross multiply. Because when two fractions are separated by an equality sign, to resolve the fraction you cross multiply. So it will be 8 times 4, then x plus 4 times 1. So x plus 4 times 1 will give us x plus 4. 8 times 4 is still equal to 32. So what do we do next? We collect like terms. X is a variable, 4 is a real number. We can't add them together. So we need to collect like terms. So 4 and 32 should be on the same place. So how do we make 4 come to 32? We collect like terms, and plus 4 will cross over here to become minus 4. So when the plus sign crosses equality sign, it becomes minus. Likewise, when a minus sign crosses equality sign, it becomes plus. So in collecting like terms, plus 4 will cross over here to give us minus 4. So 32 minus 4 will give us equal to 28. So x is equal to 28. And if we try it out, 28 plus 4 is 32. 32 divided by 4 will give us 8. So our answer is basically correct. Let's check it out. Question 38, option C, 28 is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 39. If x and an arrow pointing to 4 equal to 1, what number does x represent? Let's see how to get it done. So it will be x plus 4 over 4 equal to 1. Then we'll make it look like a fraction divided by 1. Because this is a fraction, so we need to make this look like a fraction. It doesn't change it. 1 divided by 1 is still 1. So we're just making it look like a fraction. So it will be easy to solve it. So what do we do next? We cross multiply. X plus 4 times 1 will give us x plus 4. 4 times 1 will give us 4. What do we do next? We collect like terms. Plus 4 will cross over to this side to meet this 4, and it will become minus 4. So x will be equal to 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. So x is 0. If we try it out, 0 plus 4 over 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 over 4 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 0, and that's correct. Question 39, option A, 0 is our correct answer. Alright? So this is the next section, section K, and it has to do with questions 40 to 42. So we need to build an understanding from this sample, and it will guide us in solving questions 40 to 42. In this column, we have all similar signs, and this is O. In this column, we have all similar to X, and in this column, we have OX, 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 all in block letters. So it basically means it should be similar here, similar in this column, similar in this column. That's what it implies. And what should be here? It should be OX to make this similar. You can see it. OX is the correct answer. Let's solve questions 40 to 42. Alright, this is question 40. So if you look at this, we have shapes with cross in it for this side. We have shapes with cross in it. You can see them. Shapes with cross in it. Circle, there's a cross in it. Square, there's a cross in it. Triangle, there's a cross in it. For this side, we just have only stroke in the shapes. Only one stroke. And in this side, we have plain shape. So what will be our answer here? It's going to be a triangle that is a plain shape, that nothing is in it. And option C is our correct answer. Let's check it out. Question 40, option C is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 41. It basically means this plus this will give us this. Yes, if we add these two shapes together, it will give us this. So for this column, if we add these two, it will give us this. So for this, what will we add to this to give us this? Definitely, it will be this. So this, when we add it to this, it will give us this. So option D will be our correct answer. Let's check it out. Question 41, option D is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 42. So if we look at this shape, all of these, 2 dots outside, 1 dot inside. For this, 1 dot outside, 2 dots inside. For this, 3 dots inside. In all, it has 3 dots. If you look at this, 1 dot out on the left, 2 dots in. Now here, 3 dots in. Then here, 2 dots in. Then 1 dot on the right. Okay. Now for this, 3 dots in, 2 dots in, 1 dot on the right. So for this, it will be 1 dot in, 2 dots on the right. So let's check it out. You will see it. What will be our correct answer? Option A, 1 dot in, 2 dots on the right. That will be our correct answer. And if you compare it with this row, 3 dots in, 2 dots in, 1 dot on the right, 1 dot in, 2 dots on the right is our correct answer. So option A is our correct answer. So option A for question 42 is our correct answer. Alright, this is how far we can go in this video. I hope we had fun. Our answers came out quite easy when we analyzed the options. I'm using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below so we can get updates on more videos to come and we can comment and ask questions on the previous videos we've seen. It was fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye.